Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you my Maserati. I'm going to change these lights to LED light. These lights are right under the mirror, and if we open the door, this is how the LED light look. At night time, it's going to be really bright. I'm going to show you how it's easy and simple to change it, and let's get started. This is the original light, and if we open it, we're going to replace it with LED. So if we look at right here, this area is grayed out. That's the tab is. Straight screwdriver, we put it in and we press it, that tab. You need a pry tool, press it down, or straight screwdriver. As we press it down, this one opens. And if we look at on the back, these are the two small tabbing which goes inside. Now this is the bulb. If we take the bulb out, turn it anti-clockwise. So this is the bulb. If I open the door, this is the light at this moment. And I'm going to replace it with LED. So I'm going to take out the bulb and I will replace with LED. And now if I open the door, this is how bright LED looks. As you see, it's so simple and easy to change the side mirror light to LED lighting. This is simple upgrade, but it brings the outlook. In order to put it back, we're going to do the same thing. It has two notches, and if we look at here, two cutout. These two tabs will go inside these tabs. Once we're going to put it in straight, then we're going to turn it clockwise, and it locks in. That's how simple. And if I open, I'm very bright. So I'm going to place it back, and we're going to snap in, and that's it. Side mirror light, or we call it puddle light, to upgrade to LED. And I'm going to do the same thing on other side. So if you find this video to be helpful, please like and share and subscribe my channel. And I'll list the part number. Please check the description. Thanks. Bye-bye. The passenger side I changed it was so easy. The same process I did it on this side. Tip I want to share with you, the best thing to do, if you can't open it, then use a needle nose plier or straight plier. Then you can open it. Just twist it. It's get twisted really easy. And if I open the door, and after changing, this is how the puddle light looks. And to put it back, the same process. We're going to put the two tabbing on the back, and we're going to press it, and it snaps in. This is really bright, and this is the daytime, and we can see such a nice, beautiful light.